where Prabhupada himself was interviewed by a newspaper reporter. He said, Swamiji, you look very unhappy. You look so serious in your face. You're not smiling and hello, sir, hi, how are you? Ha. You don't look so happy. And he said, no, you should understand that a Vaishnava, it's called Vaishnava, Vaishnavera Vyavahara, Vaishnav Vyavahara Dukhi, Savananda something. He said Vaishnav Vyavahara Dukhi. If you see outside the characteristics, Vyavahara means the characteristics, the symptoms. If you see the Vaishnava appearing to be unhappy, Dukhi means unhappy, you should understand that inside, within himself, he's relishing the greatest bliss. So in the same way, you see the Gaudiya Vaishnava, the very advanced Bhava Bhakta or the Prema Bhakti, he's crying, oh, I walk by that kutir, he's crying all the time. I thought chanting be happy. I got this mantra card and I started chanting, and after 30 years I'm only crying day and night. I got tricked. Got me in the door. If you pass out mantra cards, say, please join us, you can cry day and night. And nobody will join. Everyone's already crying. Everyone's always crying because of disappointment and frustration, anxiety and wants.